everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hello, my dear students. Welcome to today's session. My dear children, today's session we will begin with a beautiful, inspiring story. So, let's begin with the story. You can see there is a picture of a spider. So, in today's session, first of all, I'll tell you the story of this spider. Windy the spider wished that she could spin a perfect web just like her friends. But her webs weren't perfect. They were wibbly wobbly. When the wind blew, Windy's web was the first one to be blown away. You can see there is a spider and her name is Windy. So she wanted to spin her web as perfect as her friends, but her webs were not perfect. So they were wibbly wobbly. You can see in the picture they are not in shape. They are wibbly wobbly. Kasatari. When the wind blew, Windy's web was the first one to be blown away. When the wind starts blowing heavily, her web was the first one to be blown away by the wind. Okay. So what did Windy decided one day? Determined, she started making a small web one morning in the shape of a triangle. Whoosh went the wind and the web was blown away. So one day she started making a small wave, you can see in the picture, and in shape of a triangle. Her wave was wibbly wobbly, not in shape. So she decided herself that I'll make a triangle shaped wave so that it won't be blown with the wind. वाऱ्याने ते उडून जाणार नाही. Whoosh went the wind and the wave was blown away. But alas, though she spinned her wave in a triangle shape, but it, it also went away with the wind. ते त्रिकोणी आकाराचं तिचं ते घर होतं, म्हणजे जाळं आपण म्हणतो कोळ्याचं. ते कसं तरी ती पहिलं बनवायची. नेहमी बिचारी ट्राय करायची छान बनवायला, पण ते काय बनायचं नाही. आणि जोराचा वारा आला की तिचं ते जाळं कॉप आपण त्याला वेब म्हणतो ते उडून जायचं. मग तिने ट्रायंगल शेप मध्ये करायला सुरुवात केली, पण तेही वाऱ्याबरोबर गेलं. नाउ व्हॉट नेक्स्ट शी डिसाइडेड. Windy didn't give up. She made another wave, this time in the shape of a square. You can see here. She is spinning a square wave. Okay, chaukoni. Then whoosh went the wind and the wave was blown away. But at this time also her square shaped wave also blown away with the wind. She tried triangle shape, it also went with the wind. This time she tried square shape, but this also went with the wind. Now next, after that also she didn't give up. First she tried to make it in triangle shape, then in square shape, but both the waves were blown away with the wind. Now what did she do after that? Let's see. Windy sighed and made a longer wave in the shape of a circle. Now you can see here she is spinning a circle shaped wave, and then whoosh went the wind and the wave was blown away. This time too her wave was blown away with the wind. In place of Windy, if you or me would be there, we would have gave up the effort. But Windy, a small spider, she didn't give up. She tried it again. What did she do this time? Let's see. At last, it dawned upon her. Why not use all the shapes in my web? Now this time she decided. Now if the triangle shape web was blown away with the wind, if the square shape web was blown away with the wind, even if the circle shape web was blown away with the wind, why not use all the shapes in my web at a time? So, excited, she started spinning a wonderful web. Now she tried all the shapes you can see here, triangle, square and circle as well. And she tried to spinning a wonderful web, a very beautiful web she tried to spin. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh went the wind, but the wind's wave stayed strong. Though wind tried to blow away her web, but it was not successful in its work, and the windy's wave stayed strong. So see here, my dear children, from this story, what lesson we can learn? What is the moral of the story? Just think over for some time. Okay, you got it? या गोष्टीतून आपण काय शिकलो? बघा, एक छोटासा कोळी म्हणतो आपण त्याला, स्पायडर, की जो इतकासा छोटासा क्रीचर, इतकासा छोटासा इन्सेक्ट, जो परत परत त्याचं जाळं किती नाजूक असतं बघा. एरवी आपण घरात साफसफाई करताना सहज झाडूनी त्याचं जाळं काढून टाकतो. मग तो ते परत विणायला त्याला किती कष्ट घ्यावे लागतात. इथे आपण विंडीची स्टोरी बघितली. आधी तिने ट्रायंगल शेप मध्ये केलं, नंतर तिने सर्कल शेप मध्ये केलं, तेही वाऱ्याने उडून गेल्यावर स्क्वेअर शेपचं पण उडून गेलं. सगळ्या शेपचं तिने करून बघितलं, परंतु ते काही वाऱ्याबरोबर राहीना. जोराचा वारा आला की ते उडून जायचं. आणि मग तिने ते विचार केला, एवढूसा त्या स्पायडरचा इतकासा छोटासा मेंदू, पण तिच्या मेंदूमध्ये तो विचार आला. दॅट थॉट प्रोसेस स्टार्टेड इन हर ब्रेन. आणि मग तिने विचार केला की मी काय हे माझे प्रयत्न सोडून नाही देणार. हे सगळे शेप मी एकत्र करून मी पुन्हा एकदा छानसं का बरं जाळं विणून बघू नये. And this time she started spinning a wonderful web using all the shapes, triangle, square, circle and all. And this time, though wind tried its best, it couldn't blow away her web. And so this was the story of a smallest creature, Windy. So we have learned the moral from this story, that if you hope, if there is a positivity in your mind that yes, I can do it, you can do that. जर आपल्या मनाने एखादी गोष्ट करायचं ठरवलं तर आपण ती नक्कीच करू शकतो. जर मनातूनच तुम्हाला वाटलं छे मी काय हे करू शकणार नाही, तर आपण ते करू शकत नाही. सो युअर थॉट्स बिकम द ॲक्शन. तुमचे जे विचार असतात ते तुमच्या कृतीमध्ये उतरतात. So in today's session, we are going to learn a very beautiful and inspirational poem on this moral. So let's begin with the poem. So before reading or learning or beginning of today's poem, I'm going to show you some of the pictures. You can see here. See, when there are tough days, when there are some difficult situation in our life, we all do lose our hopes. We do not know what is next. What should you do now? How to handle that situation? You children are very small, but even grown-up people like us, we do not know. We go in depression. What's next? We do not take any decision. But at that time, we should remember this Windy's story, and we should try some different ways to solve that problem or to find the answer of that question. आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या आयुष्यामध्ये असे दिवस येतात. तुम्ही तरी छोटे आहात, तुम्हाला कळत नाही की कसं वागायचं, पण मोठे सुद्धा त्यांचा आत्मविश्वास हरवून बसतात. काय करायचं काय आता पुढे हे त्यांना सुद्धा कळत नाही. मग जर शक्य झालं तर ही विंडीची स्टोरी तुम्ही मोठ्या माणसांना नक्की सांगा. आताचे दिवस कसे आहेत बघा. आपले पालक, आपल्या घरातली मोठी माणसं, सगळ्यांचा आत्मविश्वास गेलाय. उद्याचा दिवस काय आणेल कोणालाच माहित नाहीये. So, handling with this situation, we should follow this Wendy's story. There are so many ways, there are so many roads in front of us. So, we should decide from which road we have to walk and to be successful. Okay, how to handle with that situation. So, that's what we are going to learn from today's poem. So, now we will begin with this poem. So the name of our poem is The Man Who Thinks He Can. And this poem is written by Walter D. Wintle. The man who thinks he can. A small creature, a small insect like Windy can try its level best. We are human beings, we are man and woman and children. So if we think that I can do it, yes, you can do it. So that is known as the power of your mind. Okay? आपल्या मनाची, आपल्या बुद्धीची इतकी मोठी ताकद असते की एखादी गोष्ट जर आपण मनात ठरवली तरच आपण करू शकतो. बघा टीचर्स पण वर्गात सांगतात, एखादी गोष्ट लक्ष देऊन ऐका, मनापासून करा. मी सांगते किंवा मी सांगतोय म्हणून करू नका. तुम्हाला वाटतंय म्हणून तुम्ही करा. If that picture in your mind is clear, then your actions are clear. Okay, so that's what the poem Walter D. Wintle has told us in this poem, The Man Who Thinks He Can. So now we will read the first stanza, but before reading the first stanza, I'll show you the poem as a whole. See, there are 4 stanzas. So we will begin with the first stanza. If you think you are beaten, you are. Poet tells us here, if you think you are beaten, if you think you will not be successful, then you are unsuccessful. Okay. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you think that I don't have that much dare to do one thing, then that your thought becomes your actions. You cannot try or you will not dare to do anything which is new or which needs some daring to do. If you think that I can't sit on the cycle, if I try to sit on the cycle, if I try to learn how to ride on the cycle, if then I'll fall, then I get hurt, then you will not do any daring to learn, okay, how to ride on the bicycle. Then you can never learn it. Or if you think that I'm scared of water, if I try learning swimming, then I'll be sink. So if you will not dare going in the water, you will never learn the swimming. So that thing should be there in your mind. Yes, I can do it. I can ride on the bicycle. I can learn swimming. I can learn cooking. Whatever things are there according to your age. First thing is that you have to do the daring to learn that. If you like to win but you think you can't, it is almost certain you won't. बघा एकदा जर तुम्ही विचार तुमच्या मनात आला की मी हरणारच आहे, माझ्यापेक्षा ह्या स्पर्धेत धावण्याची रेस असेल किंवा पटाटो रेस असेल, कुठलाही शर्यत असेल किंवा वर्गात मध्ये सुद्धा की हँडरायटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन आहे, कुठलंही काम असेल, तर आपण जर म्हणलो नाही बाबा माझ्यापेक्षा वर्गामध्ये सगळी मुलं खूप हुशार आहेत, सगळ्यांचं अक्षर चांगले आहे, सगळे कॉन्फिडंट आहेत, मला ना इंग्लिश बोलताच येणार नाही, आय कांट स्पीक और कन्वर्स इन इंग्लिश. But when this thought comes in your mind, it becomes your action. मग ते तसंच होतं. If you think you dare not, you don't. मला बाबा डेअरिंग नाही, मी घाबरीन, तसंच होणार. तुम्हाला जर जिंकण्याची आवड असेल, पण तुम्हाला वाटेल की मला नाही ना बाबा, माझ्यापेक्षा बाकीचे सगळे खूप चांगले आहेत. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट सर्टन यू वोंट. तेच होणार जे तुम्ही विचार करता, तुम्ही नाहीच जिंकणार. स्पर्धेत भाग घेताना, एखादी नवीन गोष्ट शिकताना, रोजच्या आयुष्यामध्ये आपल्यामध्ये कॉन्फिडन्स असला पाहिजे. यू शुड हॅव दॅट मच inbuilt confidence in you. Yes, I can do it. If other people, if other children, if my classmates, if my friends, they can do it, then why can't I? जर बाकीच्यांना हे जमतंय तर मला का नाही? Yes, even I can do that. So, if you think positively, you can do that. But if you think negatively, I can't, then you won't, you never. So here new word is there, beaten. Beaten means having been defeated. हरणार असं जर तुमच्या डोक्यात आलं तर ते तसंच होणार. सो इट इज नोन ॲज पॉवर ऑफ युअर माइंड. मनाची शक्ती, मेंदूची शक्ती, हे सगळे विचार पहिले आपल्या मेंदूमध्ये आले पाहिजेत. त्यांचा if you think you will lose, you are lost. See here, before the race begins, if you think, oh my god, my competitors, they are so tall, taller than me, they are stronger than me, they run so fast, then there only you have lost your race. If you think you are weaker than them, you can't run as fast as they run, you don't have that much strength, then there only you have lost your race, because your thought become your action. Remember, I'll repeat this sentence again and again. मी हे वाक्य पुन्हा पुन्हा बोलणार आहे की तुमचे विचार ही तुमची कृती बनते आणि मग आपल्याला तसे रिझल्ट्स मिळतात. रेस सुरू होण्याच्या पूर्वीच जर तुम्ही ठरवलं मी हरलो तर तुम्ही हरणारच. मी हरणार आहे आजच्या ह्याच्यात, तुम्ही हरणारच. इफ यू थिंक यू विल लूज, यू आर लॉस्ट. दिस इज युअर माइंड पॉवर. For out of the world we find success begins with a fellow's will. See, we try to find out success in outer world, okay? But the success begins with a fellow's will. Do not try to find out your success stories in outer world. Do not try to find out your success experience in outer world. But success begins with a fellow's will. Fellow, a person, a man, a woman, or a child. Success begins with a fellow's will, willpower. Success begins, it takes place in your mind. That is the power of your mind. मनाची ताकद अफाट असते म्हणतात बघा. की तुम्ही तुमचं यश हे बाहेरच्या जगात लोकांशी कम्पेअर करून अजिबात शोधू नका. एकदा का तुमच्या मनाने घेतलं, येस आय कॅन डू दिस, येस आय विल बी द विनर, येस आय विल गेट दॅट ट्रॉफी, यू think there, you frame a picture of yourself with a winning trophy, then definitely you are going to win that trophy. आधी तुमच्या मनात तर येऊ देत की मी आजची ट्रॉफी जिंकणार आहे. बघा ट्राय करून, ती ट्रॉफी तुमचीच असेल. सो सक्सेस बिगिन्स विथ अ फेलोज विल. इट्स ऑल इन द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. Success is not in outer world, but it lies in your state of mind. That is the strength of your mind. That is the strength of your thoughts. That is the strength of your brain. आपल्या मेंदूमध्ये, आपल्या विचारामध्ये एवढी अफाट ताकद असते. आपण जो विचार करतो तसंच होतं. If you think negatively, all negative things will happen in your life. If you think positively, all positive things will automatically happen in your life, because that is the power of your mind. So all positive things, first of all, they should take place in your mind, and then they will actually they'll take place in your life. आधी मनात पॉझिटिव्हिटी असू दे. आधी तुम्हाला जे काही पाहिजे त्याचं चित्र मनामध्ये तयार करा आणि बघा ते तुमच्या बाबतीत होतं की नाही. आजपासून, ह्या क्षणापासून तुम्ही हे सुरुवात करा की माझ्या बाबतीत सगळंच चांगलं होणार आहे, माझ्या बाबतीत सगळंच पॉझिटिव्ह होणार आहे, कारण मी तेवढी कपॅसिटी आहे माझ्यामध्ये. I am capable enough to get these things, and definitely you will get those things. That is the power of your mind. You should be always positive. Next para आपल्याला काय सांगतो, let's read. If you think you are outclassed, you are. If you think I am not from these people, those who wins always in their life, I am outclassed, I am always lost, then definitely you are going to do that. You have got to think high to rise. First of all, think high, then only you can rise in the sky. See, when an idea of flying like a bird came in man's mind, man, any particular person's mind, and then the aeroplane all, almost it exists. First of all, the idea of aeroplane came in his mind, and then only it came in reality. So whatever you have to do, first that thought should become in your mind. For that you have to think high. You cannot be low. You cannot be with low power. You cannot sit with low energy. But you should be full of energy. You should be full of positive thoughts. And those things happens in our life. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. See, if you are going to participate in a particular race, before the race starts, you should be sure of yourself that yes, who is the today's winner? I am the today's winner. Who will be that winning trophy? It is mine. So that picture you should frame in your mind first. If you think you are outclassed, you are. If you think you are lost, you are going to lose, definitely you are going to lose that. So you do not think in that way. You got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. एखादा शर्यतीत भाग घ्यायचा एखाद्या कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये भाग घ्यायचा आहे. आधीच आपण ठरवायचं की ही ट्रॉफी माझी आहे आणि ती माझ्याकडेच आली पाहिजे. बघा आपलं मन जेव्हा असा विचार करतं तेव्हा ऑटोमॅटिकली अवर बॉडी रिस्पॉन्स टू दॅट. आपलं शरीर तशा प्रकारे काम करायला सुरुवात करतं. आतापर्यंत आपण असा विचार केला नसेल तर आता ही पोएम वाचून झाल्यानंतर या क्षणापासून हा विचार करायचा की या सगळ्या पॅन्डेमिकवर, या सगळ्या परिस्थितीवर आम्ही मात करणार आहोत. आम्ही निरोगीच राहणार आहोत. आमच्या आयुष्यात चांगलंच घडणार आहे. आम्ही घरात बसून अभ्यास केला तरी आम्हाला सगळं कळणारच आहे. माझ्या आई-वडिलांचं सगळं चांगलं होणार आहे. माझी फॅमिली आनंदात राहणार आहे. ह्या सगळ्याचा आमच्यावर कुठलाच परिणाम होणार नाहीये. आणि उद्याची सकाळ आमच्यासाठी चांगलीच असणार आहे. आणि आयुष्यात जे जे काही आई-वडिलांनी आमच्यासाठी स्वप्न बघितली आहेत, मी माझ्यासाठी बघितली आहेत, ते सगळं मला मिळणारच आहे. You start thinking positively in this way. Positive thoughts are very important because our thoughts become our actions. Last para. Life is battles, don't always go to the stronger or faster man. Life is battle. Don't always go to the stronger or faster man. See, from childhood you are reading or watching or listening the story of the tortoise and the rabbit. In that story what we have learned? That though the rabbit was stronger and faster, who won the race? Yes, the tortoise won the race. So, though the life is battle, जीवन जरी युद्ध असलं, it is not necessary that always the stronger or the faster people will win the race or they will win the battle. But even sometimes the weaker and the weaker and the slower people also can win the race. There are chances for each and everyone. जीवन आपण म्हणतो हे युद्ध आहे ते रोज आपल्याला लढायचं असतं बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी की जे स्ट्रॉंग आहेत जे फास्ट आहेत तेच त्याच्यामध्ये सक्सेसफुल होतील नॉट नेसेसरी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द स्टोरी ऑफ द टॉर्टोइस अँड रॅबिट बट सून और लेट द मॅन हू विन्स इज द मॅन हू थिंक्स ही कॅन soon or late it is not necessary that every day is your okay every day is not a sunshine sometimes it may rain sometimes there are cloudy day too but soon or late the success is yours how it will be yours if you think you can जीवन जरी एक लढाई असली एक युद्ध असलं तरी जो स्ट्रॉंग आहे जो फास्ट आहे तर तोच जिंकेल असं नाही तर एक ना एक दिवस जो वीक आहे जो स्लो आहे तो पण हे जिंकू शकतो कसं जर त्यांनी विचार केला की मी जिंकू शकेन डेफिनेटली तो जिंकू शकेल बट that should become in your mind first that success is only mine I am only be the successful person on this earth so that should be your state of mind because your thought become your action ओके. आणि मग त्याप्रमाणे तुम्ही कृती करता आणि मग तुमच्या पुढ्यामध्ये यश येऊन पोहोचतं. So from all these four stanzas, what we have learned that success is there in our mind, right? If you think you will be successful, you will be successful. If you will think I can't do it, you can never do that. So you should keep your state of mind positive. It should be full of positivity. तुमच्या मनात नेहमी सकारात्मक विचार आले पाहिजेत. नकारात्मक विचार येऊनच देऊ नका. मला हे जमणार नाही, मला हे करता येणार नाही, मी हे करणार नाही, मी हरणारच आहे. नो, नेवर. येस आय कॅन, येस आय कॅन, येस आय कॅन. So you should be always with that thought that this is my day, today or tomorrow, but I am going to win it. And if you think in that way, you are going to be very successful person in your life. Okay. Now, after learning this poem, I hope you have followed the poem. मला कळलंय की तुम्हाला आता या कवितेमधून पाहिल्यावर, ऐकल्यावर, वाचल्यावर काय करायचंय. But still, I want to show you some pictures of the people who never gave up in their life. So this is the picture of Sudha Chandran. See, I have circled her leg there. Okay, her foot you can see, that is not real foot, that is Jaipur foot, wooden foot. In an accident she has to amputate her foot, but after that incident also she didn't give up. She was fond of dancing, and even after that, after putting on the Jaipur foot, she tried her level best, and in all the pictures you can see she is one of the best dancer in India, and she could do that because her mind was very positive with one thought, yes, I can do that. तुम्ही सुधा चंद्रनची ही स्टोरी शोधा इंटरनेटवर आणि वाचा की एका ॲक्सिडेंटमध्ये त्यांना त्यांचा पाय गमावला, पण ते झाल्यानंतर त्या रडत नाही बसल्या. त्यांना डान्स करण्याची खूप आवड होती. त्यातून पण त्यांना प्रचंड वेदना झाल्या, पण त्यांनी ते तसंच कार्य सुरू ठेवलं, कारण त्यांच्या मनाने घेतलेलं की येस, मी पुन्हा डान्स करणार आहे. आणि आज त्या आपल्या भारतातल्याच नव्हे तर जगातल्या एक बेस्ट डान्सर. देन देर इज वन मोर स्टोरी ऑफ such inspiration. You can see here Arunima Sinha. Even she lost her foot in one accident, and after that, with amputated foot, with Jaipur foot, she climbed up the Mount Everest. आपल्यासारख्या नॉर्मल माणसांना सुद्धा एव्हरेस्ट चढणं कठीण असतं, पण त्यांनी त्या जयपूर फूट लावून माउंट एव्हरेस्ट सर केला. There are so many stories in the world, my dear children, which give us inspiration of doing the things because those things were there in their mind, that success was there in their mind. Yes, we can do that. And so they overcome all the difficulties, all the impossible things in their life, and they have achieved what they want. त्यांनी आपल्या कुठल्याही दुःखाचा, आपल्या कशाचाही विचार न करता एकच गोष्ट समोर ध्येय ठेवलेलं, येस, मला हे करायचं आणि मी ते करणार आणि ते मिळवणार. आणि तुम्ही सुद्धा याच्या पुढे आयुष्यात, तुम्ही अजून खूप छोटे आहात, पण आयुष्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय मिळवायचंय हे ध्येय एक समोर ठेवा आणि ते मला मिळणारच आहे असं तुम्ही रोज म्हणा. कसं म्हणायचं? आय शो यू. सी, you can stand in front of the mirror in your home and you say, what you say? That yes, I am unique. My mind is very powerful. I am brave. I am smart. I can do what I want to get. And that is known as a positive self-talk. What you say is what you get. तुम्ही जे बोलता ते तुम्हाला मिळतं. तर आत्तापासून या क्षणापासून आरशासमोर उभं राहायचं आणि काय म्हणायचं? येस, आय एम युनिक, आय एम ब्रेव्ह, आय एम स्मार्ट, अँड वॉट एव्हर आय थिंक आय गेट दॅट. सो दॅट इज नोन ॲज अ पॉझिटिव्ह सेल्फ टॉक. some more words for you. I am confident, I am happy, I am loved by all, I am smart enough, I am very honest, I am grateful to all the things what I have got in my life. Yes, I am the winner, I am the leader, I am very strong, and I am unstoppable. No worries, no difficulties, no impossible things can stop me. हे सगळे जे शब्द आहेत हे इन्स्पिरेशनल वर्ड्स आहेत. मी खूप आनंदी आहे, माझ्यावर सगळे प्रेम करतात, माझ्यामध्ये भरपूर आत्मविश्वास आहे, मी प्रामाणिक आहे, मी स्ट्रॉंग आहे. असे मी तुम्हाला इथे काही वर्ड्स दाखवले, पण अजून पण काही वर्ड्स तुम्हाला आवडत असतील, यू कॅन ॲड इन दिस लिस्ट अँड डू सेल्फ टॉक एव्हरी डे. बट वन थिंग इज देअर, डू नॉट बी ओव्हर स्मार्ट. ओके, खूप ओव्हर कॉन्फिडन्स पण नको, पण जे काही शब्द आहेत की जे आपल्यामधली ताकद वाढवतात. येस, सेल्फ टॉक करा आणि आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये एखादी गोष्ट डिसाईड करा, मला ही मिळवायची, आणि बघा त्याचं चित्र तुमच्या मनात उभं करा. डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू हॅव दॅट. लेट्स ट्राय. वन मोर पिक्चर. पॉवर ऑफ युअर माइंड and is your brain. If you think, you will get it. So let's start. Okay. Now this is activity time. Two very beautiful activities for you. Copy any 4 lines of your choice from the poem. 4 stanzas are there. You can copy any one stanza, that is 4 lines, which you like the best or which inspires you. And the next thing is, find and write any 5 inspirational phrases. Just now I have shown you. कुठलेही 5 असे तुम्हाला इन्स्पिरेशन देणारे फ्रेजेस लिहून काढायचे. आता मी काही दाखवले. ओके.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.